मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, तो कल कोई और आएगा जो मेरे से अच्छा खेलेगा, कल काफ़ी दूसरे लोग आएंगे जो आपसे अच्छा देखेंगे। तो फ्यूचर में कोई याद करे या ना करे, डजेंट मैटर। तो मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी जवानी है, मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ।
Mahendra Singh Dhoni, the boy from Ranchi who turned himself from a middle class boy to a brand whom everyone envy to be, a brand whom everyone respects, whether a teammate or an opponent. The country where cricket is considered to be a religion, Mahendra Singh Dhoni led the team to as many a success as you can dream of. The daring leader who can intellectually turn around games, no matter whether he has an amateur squad or an experienced squad, whether he has the youngest squad in 2007 T20 World Cup or the oldest squad in 2018 IPL. For most of you, he may be the best captain, the best wicketkeeper, the best finisher, or even the best cricketer the world has ever seen. But for me, he is the best life lesson. If you followed his career closely, you need not to read any life lesson books. You will have them in. His game will teach you everything to deal any problem in your life. Say it patience, leadership, intelligence, opportunistic, hardworking, faith, belief, hope, physical conditioning, mental conditioning, name it, and he has everything to deal with the problems in life. When not being selected to the Indian national team, he never lose hope. He worked hard and made himself capable that bound the selectors to select him. In 2007 T20 World Cup, taking the mantle of captain of India over Yuvraj or Harbhajan shows how confident he is in himself. The final match, when he gave the ball to Joginder Sharma, who was not a pace bowler or a proper spinner, shows his faith on his teammates. His career is the proper example of how we need to change in life along with the time. He introduced himself to the cricketing world as a destructive hitter, but with the passing of time, he perfectly molded himself to take responsibilities and build innings to lead the team till the very last ball. MS Dhoni's career teaches us that when the time is right, you have to take few harsh decisions, irrespective of how the society interprets those decisions to build a better future. He was accused of removing the seniors from the team, but with all due respect to the legends, it was truly what the team needed for the future stability. Without that, the team what we have today would not have formed. And I guess surely there's no need to describe how his life can teach us patience, calmness and smartness when you are in deep trouble in your life. Because these are the only way that will help us to get out of the troubles. The leader he was, we need to be in our own life. The qualities he had, we need to incorporate in our own life. The genuine person he is, we need to be in our own life. If we can amalgamate even a fraction of his qualities, I'm sure we can lead a happier and a successful life. Thank you, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, the Ranchi boy, to be the inspiration for all the people around the world. Thank you for making me believe that amidst of all the troubles, Life is beautiful.